Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to capture your game with OBS. So if you want to record it or live stream it, this is easy to do. Just go to scene and select the scene you want to go ahead and use. So we can start a new scene called like maybe game, PC or something like that. And then go to OK. Then we have to add our sources. So let's add our game capture under here. And we have one just simply called game capture. We can go to create new game capture. This will be fine. And then select the mode, full screen applications. Specific windows, we can select a specific window or capture foreground window with Hotkey. So if we add that in there, we should be able to find any kind of game. So maybe start up Steam here or something like that and see if we can go ahead and capture it. So let's go to something I have updated, maybe like BattleBit Remastered or something. Where is it? I can't see it, but I would have to install this stuff. But you should be able to just find it. And if you don't see it in there, you should be able to just select a specific window. So very easy. Then we can go to OK. Now, if we can't find it under Game Capture, we can simply just go to Display Capture. And then just capture a specific display. So just go to like display 5. Then we can go to display. And then we can just capture the entire display. But here's this display. So you got those methods. And we should be able to capture a window too. So if we go to window capture, we should be able to find a specific window. So if we got the game opened up, let's see, you got Xbox app on here. So you can see I can do this with just a game screen as well. So there's 3 different ways that you can use to capture your game. Game capture, display capture, or the window capture. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.